So the next talk is about a very innovative laser cataract surgery, which is called robotic femtomatrix ultra-fast laser cataract surgery, including the data from world first clinical cases. And what does it mean, femtomatrix laser? This laser just multiplies the laser spots. So instead of one spot, we have 6, 9, or even more spots, which makes cutting the tissue significantly faster. How does that happen? That the laser spots are multiplied by a dynamic face mask, which is a technical feature. The laser beam is still one beam, but at the focal plane, which is in our case is cornea or human lens, we obtain all those multiplied laser spots. So in reality, if you want to cut 12 lines by a femto laser, if you use a femtomatrix laser, you have just 6 lines, one U-turn and another 6 lines, so you need only 3 steps, and the U-turn takes about the same time as the one line. And if you would use a traditional femto laser with one line, then you need 23 steps to achieve the same area. So I think that tells us how faster this technology can be, and actually how faster it already is. In the real world of cataract surgeon, that means that a human lens can be fragmented into 20,000 small cubes with 0.2 millimeter side in 20 seconds. And this is a picture of the first human lens fragmented by a femtomatrix laser. You see all those tiny golden cubes in the lens, and we were pretty amazed when we have seen this picture of fragmented lens for the first time. And you might notice one important and interesting thing, that there are virtually no bubbles. And usually with femto laser we have bubbles in the lens, but this Keranova femtomatrix laser uses a very smart advanced technology that they send a sample beam into different areas of the lens to find out which is the optimal energy setting for that part of the lens, and then fast recalculate the pattern, and then they fragment with the energy which is just adequate to that particular part of the lens. So therefore there is no excess energy and no bubbles. So we have a video for you showing this kind of surgery. So we use a robotic arm docking, and this is a laser path with a face mask which multiplies the laser spots in the cornea. So instead of one line, we cut 6 lines, and we are up to 20 times faster. This is a robotic docking in real time, and this is a real-time OCT. As soon as the eye is docked, there is a real-time fragmentation. You see all those tiny cubes in the human lens, and that was real-time. Now that's animation. And after the fragmentation, we can aspirate all those little cubes without any ultrasound. So once again, this is aspiration only. We use a 0 phaco handpiece. So just step by step, we can aspirate that lens already pre-fragmented into 20,000 small cubes by this laser technology, which is a significant advance compared to current technologies. So the unique technical feature is the spot multiplication, and that's also the optimized energy delivery to different lens parts. Femtosecond laser beam through an optical fiber. Maybe can sound simple, but that's the first company who achieved that in eye surgery field. A new optical architecture with smaller spot size. And here are some data about our first eyes, corrected distance visual acuity, which was improved, refractive sphere with a little bit of minus, mean keratometry, which didn't really change with this cataract surgery, endothelial cell density with no significant decrease, intraocular pressure with no significant change. So this femtomatrix cataract surgery consists of robotic arm docking, superfast capsulotomy and fragmentation, and world first clinical cases were done at our clinic, and we run a CE-mark study right now. The applications of femtomatrix laser in eye surgery are cataract surgery, lens capsulotomy, fragmentation, and corneal incisions, refractive surgery, LASIK flap in theoretically 0.5 seconds, which is amazing. Of course, it's capable of intrastomal ablation, and in the future also the corneal surgery applications for corneal transplantation are expected. So in conclusion, it is much faster than current femtolasers, and it's an exciting innovation in this field. So once again, thank you very much for your attention, and this is once again our clinic. And I have the question for the audience also. So my question is, femtomatrix laser theoretically performs LASIK flap in 0.5 seconds, fragments human lens into 20,000 cubes in 20 seconds, or multiplies laser spots on face mask, leads femtosecond beam through optical fiber, all above is true. So please use your voting instrument to just vote which answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. We have the last 5 seconds, and then we will start the discussion. Yeah, I think you hit the right answer. All above is true. So thank you very much, and I would like to open a discussion.